Hoy vemos dos expresiones en inglés, una para hablar de la intención detrás de un gesto y otra para cuando empezamos a dudar de una decisión. Vamos a verlas. We all make decisions, and sometimes we doubt them. And when someone gives us a gift or makes an effort, even if it's not perfect, we often say, "It's the thought that counts." Today, we're looking at two very different expressions in English. It's the thought that counts, which is about kindness and intention, and second thoughts, which is all about hesitation and doubt. Let's break them down with clear examples and alternative phrases you can use every day. It's the thought that counts. We say this when the intention is what really matters, not the result or the gift itself. Examples. I know the cake was a mess, but it's the thought that counts. Sé que el pastel era un desastre, pero lo que cuenta es la intención. You didn't have to bring anything. It's the thought that counts. No tenías que traer nada. Lo importante es el detalle. He made me a card. It's not perfect, but it's the thought that counts. Me hizo una tarjeta. No es perfecta, pero cuenta la intención. He forgot my favorite color, but it's the thought that counts. Olvidó mi color favorito, pero lo importante es el gesto. Alternativas. It's the gesture that matters. It's the sentiment that counts. It's the effort that matters. Second thoughts. We use this when someone is reconsidering or doubting a decision they've already made. Examples. I'm having second thoughts about moving abroad. Estoy dudando sobre mudarme al extranjero. She said yes, but later she had second thoughts. Dijo que sí, pero luego se lo pensó mejor. Are you getting second thoughts about this trip? ¿Estás empezando a dudar sobre este viaje? Otras formas de decirlo. To get cold feet. Informal. Used when someone is about to do something important, like getting married, performing, or making a big decision, and suddenly becomes nervous or unsure. He got cold feet before the wedding and almost didn't show up. Le entró el pánico antes de la boda y casi no se presentó. To doubt yourself. Used when you lose confidence in your own abilities or decisions, common in personal or professional situations. She doubted herself before the exam, even though she had studied a lot. Ella dudó de sí misma antes del examen, aunque había estudiado mucho. To have reservations. More formal. Means you have concerns or hesitation, often in professional or serious contexts. I have some reservations about investing in that company. Tengo ciertas reservas sobre invertir en esa empresa. We hope this video ticked all the boxes for you. Check out the full English in a Flash playlist for more quick lessons.